You know, a beautiful coffee table can be a focal point of any living room, family room, or den, especially if it lifts. You can make a coffee table just like this one. Here's how I made this one.
Step 1. Cut your table base stock. We'll have a complete cut list in the description below. For the table legs, we used regular 2x4 that we trued up on the joiner. Step 2. Screw your base pieces together. Notice the groove that is in the 1x4. We'll be inserting 1/4-inch plywood that'll serve as the bottom of the under-top storage. The Kreg Jig pocket hole system made things a lot quicker. I cut a piece of 1/4-inch plywood to size for that bottom. Step 3. Prep your base for stain and urethane. Step 4. Cut your tabletop planks to length. Step 5. Clean up your edges for jointing. You can do this on a table saw or a jointer if you have one. Step 6. Cut holes for biscuits. And again, we're using the Kreg Jig for drilling pocket holes. Step 8. Glue and clamp your boards together, but don't forget your biscuits. Now that the tabletop planks are glued and clamped together, screw them together. You can see here we did 2 planks at a time. Then we're ready to attach all 4 together. Step 10. Square up the ends for breadboard ends. Step 11. Cut your breadboard ends. We also trued up the breadboard boards on the jointer. Step 12. Drill holes for biscuits and pocket hole screws, then attach your breadboard ends. Step 14. Trim the breadboard ends. Step 15. Do lots and lots of sanding. Always try to sand with the grain whenever possible. Step 16. Router the edges with a camfer bit.
To see the conclusion of the coffee table build, click here. To subscribe, click here.